Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're going to explore the Ladder app's strength training plans. If you're looking to build strength and improve your fitness, this app offers structured, effective workouts that fit into any routine. Let's dive into what the app has to offer. Ladder's strength training plans are designed for all fitness levels, from beginners to experienced lifters. The app focuses on progressive overload, meaning the difficulty increases as you get stronger, allowing for steady improvements. Each workout plan is personalized to your fitness goals, whether you want to build muscle, increase endurance, or enhance your overall strength. One of the main benefits of Ladder's strength training programs is the variety. The app gives you access to a wide range of exercises, targeting different muscle groups, and incorporates compound movements like squats and deadlifts, which are essential for overall strength development. Plus, Ladder's workouts don't just stick to traditional weightlifting. They also include functional fitness, which helps improve mobility and balance. The app also tailors the difficulty based on your progress. After tracking your performance, it adjusts future workouts to ensure you're always challenged without overloading your body. This adaptability makes it ideal for users who want a program that grows with them. Another major plus is the convenience. You can access the workouts anytime, anywhere, and the app's interface is simple to navigate. It's perfect for those who prefer working out on their own terms. The app even allows you to track your progress, so you can see improvements over time and stay motivated. However, a downside is that the app doesn't offer much in terms of customization. While the programs are structured and adjust based on your progress, there's limited flexibility. If you're seeking a very specific type of training, for example, powerlifting or bodybuilding. In conclusion, Ladder's strength training plans are great for anyone looking for a structured, progressive way to get stronger. The wide variety of exercises, adaptability, and convenience make it an excellent tool for general strength training and fitness. However, if you have specialized goals or need more personalized guidance, it might not be the perfect fit for you. But for those who want an efficient and effective strength training program, Ladder is a solid choice.